UNSW is home to over 64,000 students, including more than 15,000 international students from over 130 countries. So you'll be joining a truly global community. So what can you study at UNSW? The university offers a huge range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs, including engineering, civil, mechanical, electrical, mining, aerospace, computer science, artificial intelligence, and data science, business, accounting and finance through the renowned UNSW Business School, law and criminology, computer science, artificial intelligence, and data science, business, accounting and finance through the renowned UNSW Business School, law and criminology ranked among the top in Australia, medicine and health science, architecture, design and built environment, environmental and climate science, arts, social science and international relations, and so much more. Now, how do you get in? Undergraduate. Undergraduate tuitions about 40 Australian dollar to 50 Australian dollar per year, depending on your courses. Postgraduate taught degrees, usually 38 degree Australian dollar to 50 degree Australian dollar per year. UNSW offers several scholarships for international students, such as International Science Coursework Scholarship, which can cover up to full tuition fees, and other merit-based awards ranging from 5,000 Australian dollar to 20,000 Australian dollar per year. UNSW provides excellent student accommodation option, including modern on-campus colleges and apartments near the campus in Kensington, all close to Sydney's beaches and city centre. You will find catered or self-catered option in suite rooms and great community facility. UNSW Sydney is renowned for graduate employability, ranked 27 in the world for graduate employability by QS. The university works closely with industry leaders, offer professional development workshops. UNSW Sydney is renowned for graduate employability, ranked 27 in the world for graduate employability by QS. The university works closely with industry leaders, offers professional development workshops, networking events and placement opportunities with top Australian and global companies. Living in Sydney can cost around 25,000 Australian dollar to 30,000 Australian dollar per year, covering accommodation, food, transport, and entertainment. As an international student, you can work up to 48 hours per fortnight during term time and unlimited hours during breaks. UNSW also offers on-campus job opportunities like working in cafes, libraries, or as a student ambassador. If you want a globally recognized degree from a top 20 university, cutting-edge research, and a vibrant life in Sydney, UNSW Sydney could be your perfect study destination. Got question about UNSW or applying to Australia? Drop them in comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more study abroad guides and university insights. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.